Welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video I will be showing you how to sign out Hotmail account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL, type in hotmail.com. If you have already logged into your Hotmail or your Outlook account, you will get this interface. From here, you can simply send or forward email on Hotmail. Now, if you want to log out of your account at this interface, head over to the upper right corner. There, you will get the initials of your account name. So click on your initials of account name icon. There, a dialog box will pop up. And on the same dialog box, at the upper right corner, there you will get sign out button. Click over there and you will be logged out of your Hotmail or your Outlook account. So that's how you can simply log out of your Hotmail or your Outlook account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.